Hey guys, welcome back. So today I have a new nail video. I haven't done nails in a really long time for you guys, so I decided I was going to show you guys how and what my nails are going to look like for Christmas. So I hope you guys like this video. Let me know down below if you guys would like to do, or for me to do, more nail videos. I do my nails obviously every 2 to 3 weeks, and I do my nails by myself. I do not go get them done or anything. I think it's a lot easier and cheaper for me to do them by myself. So I want to show you guys what products that I use to do my nails. So I hope you guys like this video. Let me know down below if you do, and let's get started. Alright, so here are my nails. Obviously, I definitely need to redo them. I did do one over here. I did kind of a bad job. It's kind of everywhere, but you know, sometimes it happens. So these are my nails. These are almost 3 weeks, and it's definitely time to delete, you get it. So I'm going to take all of these off to do my nails. I use my Coupa, and I'll put a picture of what I use so you guys can see. So before I got my Coupa products that I bought, I did used to just use a nail file and file it all off, and it was just taking so long, so I just ended up buying my Coupa, and my Coupa is like my best friend. It just is so helpful to use, and I absolutely love them. It's not sponsored or anything. I found it online, and I knew I needed something so I could do my nails, and I purchased it. Yeah, so this is my pre-nails, and let's get started. So I recently put this band on here. This is my Coupa, and I usually used a different one, but I kind of ran out. Not ran out, but it's not as coarse as it is anymore, so I used this one now, and all I do is to go around and just zzz, zzz, the whole thing. So I'm actually going to put like music in here just because it can be long. It can be long and loud.
So I'm crazy. Won't you bend that back for me? We won't stop.
All right, so there is one nail done. So you guys could see how quick or short it took for just one nail. So I'm just gonna do the rest of them really quick, and I'll be right back.
Feet both lie. You get to fly with me. I can take you down for a ride. I take you around my life. Jaywalking, crosswalking, lip locking, but you, I know it, you know it, we make it.
This is the shape that I'm looking for today. Kind of like square, but I don't know. What shape is that? I don't know, but that's what I'm going for. When I have that ready, I'm going to take my file. I'm going to just make sure that everything is nice and prepped for the nail. So I want to make sure everything has been kind of filed, just to make sure everything is going to be really sticking to the products. And we're just going to kind of file this in here, and then a little bit on the top as well. So this one is ready to go, and I'm just going to move on to the next one. So again, I'm going to do the exact same thing, making the shape that I want. And then making it shorter as well. It's just too long. All right, so I am done kind of filing it with my nail file and making sure everything is kind of how I want it. I am going to change it a little bit once I pick my color and such. So I'm going to show you two things that I do use on the regular when I'm doing my nails. So these are the two products that I usually use for my nails. So this is the stuff that is going to be making it nice and thick so my nails don't break. So I use this one. I used to use this one all the time. As you can see, it's an absolutely mess. It's kind of bad. But this is the rubber top coat. I have the other one, the bottom top coat, is that what it's called? Base top coat. I have that one as well. I just didn't come and show it to you. But I love this one. So this one, you guys are able to buy these ones. This one, you cannot buy this unless you have, what is it called when you do like nails for like your job? But as I said, my cousin has hers, so she gave me, or kind of helped me be able to have the colors that I want. And yeah, I am able to use this. But this is the one that I did before that. I do sometimes still use this one, but they're pretty much the exact same thing. But this one is just a little bit different. This one's one that I'm going to be using, and the one I'm going to use is the Cool Gel. So what you can see, they are Cool Gel, and it's hard gel. See, it's pretty thick, and I love it. It has the best consistency for it, and I just can't stop. So I'm going to be using this today, and I'm just going to be putting a couple layers of this, and then we're going to see how it's going to go today. So to start off my nails, I did it on this side. I'm going to show you what I did over here. This is one of my favorite things, and this is the Light Elegance Tack, the bonding agent. I love this, and it makes everything, making sure that everything is like stuck together, because you know it's the worst when you have something that's actually like not staying on your nails, and that's like the worst. So I just take some of this and I put it right onto the nail, and it's kind of the bonding agent, and it really definitely helps the nail from like lifting and everything like that. Right, and then when that's done, I just put it in the timer. So to start off my nails, I'm going to use my Cool Gel from Light Elegance, and I'm just going to give myself one small little coat, and then put a small coat, so you guys can see, just a small little bit, making sure the entire nail is being coated, just like this. Because I don't want it to start off being too thick, because then that's hard to file that off. And now I'm going to be doing that for all of the nails with just a small little bit, and then I will go around and put a even thicker spot so that it can be nice and thick, because I like it when it's nice and thick, that I'm not going to feel like it's going to be breaking. But I just like to start with a small little coat. So I'm going to put this into the lamp, and I'll be right back. All right, so I'm going to start off having a pretty big bead here, and I'm going to be putting this right into my nail, right in the center, so you guys can see it's a pretty big nail here, or bead, and I'm going to kind of blending it into my nail because I wanted to have good apex. So I'm just starting it, and I'm going to bring it down, and I like it to be the thickest up here. I'm kind of show you over here. So you can see I want it to have like a good, like, I don't know if you guys can see this. So we want to have it to have a good apex. So that will also help you for not breaking, is by having a good apex. So you don't want it to be nice, and you don't want it to be flat. You want it to have a curve. Mine usually are a mess, but I've been practicing, and I'm trying to get it look how it should be. So we're gonna see how it goes today. For me, if I really mess up the apex or anything, I end up just filing it and kind of fixing it with the file. So it's not that big of a deal if you mess it up, but it just takes more time to blend it and to like carve it out. All right, so now that I am done making them nice and thick, I'm going to take my nail file again, and I'm going to make sure everything is nice and flat and smooth. So I like to kind of start off with the thick one here, easily, like lightly, in the cuticle area, and then kind of making sure the kind of what it looks like, the height and how thick it is and stuff like that. I end up make them nice and pointy, and I just make sure that they look nice and cute. Once I have this pretty much done like that, with this one, I go over to the smoother side and I go and make it nice and smooth. So see, as you guys can see, this is a process. I do really love the process though. It usually takes about an hour for me, depending on if I decide I'm gonna eat after or before or during. It might take longer, but you know, I enjoy doing the process. This is why like I usually take my time, and I usually do it on like the weekend, just because it's a long process. So just going through the file, and I like to make sure that it is nice. Like, so you guys can see here, it doesn't look good right here. Like, it doesn't. So I like to go through making sure just that everything is looking good. All right, so I have everything ready for my color. So the color I'm going to be using today is from Light Elegance. This is the color. Now, this, once again, is one that you're going to only be able to use if you are a technician. Is that what it's called? Maybe. But I have a very similar one from Madam Glam, which I love Madam Glam. I would highly recommend Madam Glam. I still use all of my Madam Glam. This is just the one this is new and I haven't used it yet. So, well, technically I tried it on this pinky, but other than this is the first time I ever used it. So it looks like this, and it has like glitter on it. So then the other one looks like this. It's really pretty as well. I'm going to kind of put it into my nail just so you guys can see what it looks like. So here is the product, and I'm going to put it into this pinky just so you guys can see the difference between. I'm not going to put it on, but you guys will be able to see. It is beautiful. It has like glittery splecks of it. I don't know if you guys can see. So here's the difference between the two. Very glittery. This one's more glittery than this one. This one's more not sheeny, but it just isn't as glittery. So this one is absolutely beautiful. So again, this one is from Madam Glam. I'll put the link for all of them down below. But today I'm gonna do this one. So it's just more elegant, I want to say. I don't know why I want to say elegance, but yeah, this is what we're gonna do today. All right, so going into the color, you guys can see what it looks like. It is gorgeous. It is like this beautiful kind of color. Ugh, it's like perfect for not Thanksgiving, Christmas. So you can see it is just stunning, stunning. All right, so I'm just gonna paint this on my nails, and I'm gonna do 2 coats because I like to start it off with a smaller amount right around the cuticle and just painting this on. After you have already prepped everything, it's really easy just to put all this right on. So the painting doesn't take very long. I like to make it really precise for everything. So I'm just gonna go around and have 2 coats, but I'll show you between each coats. Right, so I'm just gonna put this right into the lamp for 30 seconds. All right, so now I'm just gonna use one more coat of this color just so it can be nice and thick and you cannot see anything through the color. And I can't think of what that color is. It's like opaque, I think that's what it's called. I'm gonna be nice and opaque. So I have everything done with my nails. All that I'm gonna do next is I'm going to cleanse it, just because I do want to put a top coat on it, but I want this to be nice and clean first. I want to cover this so it's gonna look amazing. Make sure it's not tacky at all. Just taking this everywhere. All right, so for the top coats, I'm going to be using this. This is from Madame Glam. This is the Soak Off Top Gel. I think this is the best. I absolutely love it. And I'm just going to be putting this all of my nails. I think this is a really good top coat. So it is for gels, but I think it has a really nice consistency and it just makes my nails look so pretty. And like, look at this. It just looks so cute and pretty. All right, and then I'm going to put them in the lamp for 30 seconds. All right, so here is the nails. Now I'm just gonna take my cleanser again and I'm gonna put it right on top and making sure it's nice and clean. All right, so my nails are all finished. Now all I'm gonna do is take my cuticle oil and I'm just gonna put this right on top of all of my nails. My nails are, or I guess my hands just in general are so dry, so they look a little bit like a mess, but we're looking at the nails right now, not everything else. And now I just take both of these and kind of do this, kind of get it away for everywhere. I'm going to put on this side, making sure I didn't miss any of the spots. All right, and then I'm going to go through for each one, making sure it's nice and wet. Oh, they look so pretty. All right, guys, so here are my nails that I did today. I absolutely love them. I think once I kind of like wash my hands and kind of get everything out of there, it'll look more natural because it looks like it's like everywhere, but it really isn't. But yeah, I hope you guys liked this video. Let me know down below if you guys would like to see more nail videos. I would absolutely love to, just because I do my nails every like 2 to 3 weeks anyways, so I would love to film this as well. So I hope you guys liked these videos. Let me know down below and I will talk to you guys later. Bye!